Yamaha HS8 subwoofer replacement, and we are gonna test it out and see how it goes. I'm gonna show you guys the other one. So this guy here is the original that the speaker came with. It has like a special bass on it, I'm not sure why. I'm guessing that's for enclosure. This is a little bit different. And yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. Alright, so we are here next to the speaker. This is a Yamaha S8, HS8. And yeah, we're gonna put the speaker right now, see how it goes. All right, so here we are. All ready. It's already connected. And yeah, we'll test it out. I'm not sure how the sound is going to be, but let's try it.
Commencing system check. Treble. Online. Mid-range. Online. Bass. Unacceptable. Increasing bass level.